India has been a very positive global example in terms of addressing the COVID crisis, both through the manufacturing and distribution of, I believe, over 2.2 billion vaccines, through the COWIN vaccine platform, which is really a model for other countries. We were proud to be able to help work with the Indian government and with partners like the Serum Institute of India to help manufacture some of the vaccines and to help with some of the primary healthcare facilities to help with distribution in some of the states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, where we work closely. But it really is a model both because of the direct COVID response, but also because the infrastructure that's been put in place has lots of positive effects for other forms of healthcare. This is a critical moment for global leadership, and actually the fact that India is in the position of chair of the G20 at this time of global crisis, we actually think is very encouraging, because the government has already shown a very strong commitment to driving forward on, as you say, global health issues, broader development issues like digital infrastructure, financial services, where again, there are a number of great models and examples of how India has addressed some of these issues, including around the pandemic response and medical countermeasures that need more action globally. The G20 made some commitments in the Indonesian hosted G20, but they really weren't at the scale and scope that the world needs. And so I think the government of India's stated ambition to try and tackle both those things, the issues of pandemic preparedness and global health response, so that we can both finish the job on COVID and be ready to address the next pandemic, but also to think about these wider development challenges and using new tools like the digital financial infrastructure that India has developed through UPI, but also some of the newer initiatives like the Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Initiative, which we think, again, has some very positive models that we'll be able to use in Africa and other parts of the developing world.